Wildebeest has got some laces, very long laces. No, I'm joking. This is not what the video is about. Okay, this is the Kalahari boot. This shoe is made of a complete double layer of leather. So they took two leathers and put it on top of each other and then made the shoe. So there's a tongue is padded. It's like a squishy, and the whole entire ankle area is also squishy and padded. Very soft and comfortable. I don't know if you would want to wear a gaiter with this, because this is going to keep all of the grassies and stokkies and gogaitjies out of your sokkies when you go into the bosse. Anyway, so this is the Kalahari boot, and it's got a signature flat sole. The Wildebeest flat sole. It's that same one that you can roll up. This one just doesn't roll up so easily because the leather is so very thick. So this shoe is gonna take you a bit of a while to loop out, you know, before it's gonna sit very comfortably. But it's gonna sit comfortably eventually. It's because it's so thick and so durable that this is gonna last you very long. This shoe is called the Kalahari. Okay, so, and it's available in tan and also in the dark chocolatey brown color, and then we've got the exact same one in black, but it's got a different sole. That's the only difference between these two shoes, is the sole. So this is the flat sole, you know, the sagte enetjie, and this is a very klipharde. You can knock someone with this sole and it will probably hurt a lot. Okay, so this is the sole that's got spoorkietjies and grips and fancy stuffs in there. So yeah, available in black. This one is called the Black Mamba because it's black, and this is called the Kalahari because it's called the Kalahari. Okay, anyway, so go to wildebeest.com or go to the shop in Kempton Park and get yourself some Kalaharis or Black Mambas because you can.